This will be the elevator here at the Best Western here in South Dakota. You got here is a Schumacher. Very interesting one, in fact, that this thing actually sticks out a lot more than usual. This thing's really interesting.
Not a bad elevator.
Yeah. I really like these buttons though. Don't know why, but that's so satisfying to press. It's a nice one, actually. Even though I don't understand the point of like having this big, no, I see this on the outside, but not on the inside. Quite an interesting combination to dot matrix indicator and these very interesting buttons here. Yeah, I don't understand the point of this big thing in a way. It's so interesting. Come on, they can close any second now. There we go. There it goes, the elevator. I guess that is going to be it for me.